In this video, we will show you how to inspect element on mobile views. When you're working on the website and you need to fix a problem on mobile view, but you are using laptop, you can using mobile view to see the inspect element on the mobile version. How to do that? After you open your websites, then you can right click and choose inspect element on the Google Chrome, and you can see this element is just on the desktop view. You can make sure you have the element for the mobile just clicking this. After you clicking this is the element for mobile view on your websites. You can reload them. Now your element code here will be view as on the mobile view. Okay, and that's all. Tutorial how to view source code or elements on the mobile view using Google Chrome web browser. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.